Stallion, furry friend, is stealing the spotlight. Her
I let
beloved
Tyger
dog.
take over my backyard, and now he has things to show me. What is that? What is that? What is this? Okay. 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 Never have I ever been in there. Okay, maybe not this. Come on. We got it from back here. Tyger, I don't want to be back here. It's too much spiders. Come on. All right, show me something else. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Show me something. Where are you taking me, babe? Don't you jump down there. Don't you do it. Oh my gosh, where are we going? Okay. Okay, I'm down for the adventure. Oh! Oh my God, look, what's that? What the? Oh, you want to show me these bees? Oh my God. I don't know if I'm the queen or if I need to evacuate. Let's go here. Yeah, Tyger, go. Brought me to these damn people's house. Hey, stop. Stop. Why the fuck is my bridge rickety? Tyger, you better not jump in that lake. Ooh. Come on, Tyger, we finna go. Come over here. What is it? Tyger, I can't swim. Is it fish?
Tyger recently took Megan on a hilarious
You are not a hunting dog,
adventure,
and nor are you
fans
Scooby-Doo.
can't stop talking about
You are Tyger.
that adorable moment.
Tyger the dog.
Megan Thee Stallion shared a fun video showing Tyger leading her around as if he had something important to show her. Throughout the clip, Tyger confidently guided Megan from one spot to another, keeping her curious every step of the way. Megan couldn't help but laugh as she followed along, wondering what her playful companion was up to. The wholesome moment quickly won over fans, with many saying it perfectly captured the special bond between pets and their owners. Others joked that Tyger was acting like the boss, proudly giving Megan a personal tour. The video offered fans a light-hearted glimpse into Megan's life away from the stage, proving that even global superstars enjoy simple, joyful moments with their pets. What do you think Tyger was trying to show Megan? Share your funniest guesses in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more celebrity news and trending moments.